Hi guys, welcome to Flying Grip Academy. Today we are going to discuss how to create a database by using a JSP page. Basically, if you want to create a table by using a MySQL, you can able to generally create a table and by going to the MySQL and create a table name. But here we are going to do is create a table from the JSP page. So here we have given the page content type equal to text or HTML. So now author name is by default which is given by the system, so which is taken by the NetBeans. So now here we have given a document type is public HTML and W3C consortium document data definition, and HTML4 which we are using is transactional, and EN stands for encoding. So now here we are using a DTD, loose DTD. So now here we are using a two particular import packages, import java.sql.star and java.io.star. So here we are having a page directive include and tag lib. So now here we are using a directories, so because it starts with the @ symbol. The next step, here we are going to declare the HTML head, title and the body, so which is similar to your HTML tags. So now here we have given the body background color, so blue, FF and CC, which is stands for green color. And next here we are going to open the table row, and we have given the table data. So now table will be aligning in the center, and the text message will be displayed on the screen, hello Flying Grip Academy. So now here we have given a BR tag to give a line break. So to create a table, click the link below. So now here, whenever here the particular user is going to click on the particular text, so click on the link below. So the link will be given. So the link is create a table. So now whenever you are going to click on this particular create a table, and this will be redirected by the anchor tag. So it is going to redirect it to the create table.jsp. Create table.jsp is another page which will be activating the web page. So which is going to create a table. So here we have not enclosed any percentage tag or database tag. So just we have given a common HTML format, and which is going to redirect to the another web page. So which is called create table.jsp. Now here we are having another page called create table. Create table is the name of the table which we are using. So now here also we are using a same packages. So now within the HTML code, so within the body tag we have opened the percentage symbol, so which is stands for a scriptlet tag. So now and here we are going to use a string URL JDBC MySQL, and the local host name is 3030, and the name of the database is student. So now here you need to declare the connectivity, so by using a connection con. So here connection is the object of the connection, so which is initially null. So now we need to execute the statements. Here we have given a statement, so which is initially null, and we are going to establish the exception handling code, so which is try block. In try block we are going to keep the risky code, so that it can, if there is any kind of exception is going to occur, that particular code will be written in the try block, so that should be catched by using a catch block. So now here we have given class for name equal to com.mysql JDBC driver, so which is going to establish the connectivity between the JDBC and as well as a MySQL. So here we have declared a new instance. Here we have already created a connection object. So connection equal to null. By using this particular connection object, we are using a connection equal to driver manager dot get connection. Here we have already specified the connection URL. The connection URL is specified above. Establish the connection. So that is localhost 3030, that particular port number, and whose username and password is given here. So the password is root@123 in my system. And now we are going to create a statement. So initially the statement is null, and by using that particular statement object, connection dot create statement, so that we are going to create a statement. So now we are going to declare a string. Here we are going to declare a object name is query string. In query string, we are going to create a table. Table name is user student. So now here we have declared the fields. So ID is int not null, and auto increment, and name. So name which we have given varchar 25, and the city is varchar 20, and primary key ID which we have declared. So ID is the primary key. So now here we are going to execute the query string which we have specified. So statement is a object of the statement. Statement dot execute update. So it is going to use a update query. So now it is going to deploy the query string which we have given. Create table. Table name is user student. So now we have closed the scriptlet tag here. So next, again we are going to give the table. So within the table we have given border equal to 0 and the background color is green. So next, here we have used the table row data. So which particular data should be appear in the table. So now here we have given a table row and the table data. So it should be aligned in the center. The color which we have given is green, and it has to show congratulations message, and we are going to end the font tag, so which we have started earlier. And here we are going to create a one more table row, so it is aligned in this center. So the table specified name is created successfully. It means once it is created successfully, username is student, so then it is going to display the message. And we have closed the table row, and again table row is closed here. So we have closed the table row. So finally which we have opened here. Here we are going to open another scriptlet tag. So because it identifies the declaration end, so try block is going to end here, and if any exception is occurred, catch block should catch the exception. So the exception object is ex, and now here we have entered the scripted tag, so which we have started here. So next, here we are going to declare the table attributes. So table border and center. So now here if the exception is occurred, it means the table may be already created, or you can the fields which we have specified is having some syntax error. So at the time it is going to redirect it to the catch block, and it is going to show the message. So some problems to create the table. The next, here we are going to create a one more scriptlet tag for finally. So now here we are going to close the connection. So basically finally block is used to clean up the activities which we have created. You need to close the database connection and all the things. So it need to clean up all the activities. For that we are using a finally block. So now which we have started this scriptlet tag is going to end here, and we are going to create one more table row. So now hyper reference, so the database query.js. So again it is going to redirect if any problem is going to be occurred. So now it has to go back to the database query.jsp. Database query.jsp is a web page, so which we have created as the first one. So now here we have given font size equal to black. So here we are going to give back to home page. So now if you are going to click the back to home page, it will be redirected to database query.jsp. So finally we are going to close the table row on table, and body tag is closed and HTML is closed. So now let us run the program. So here the first thing is which we have already created a table database query, and here I have created a create table.jsp. So now this is the create table.jsp. This is the database query. Database query is a normal HTML page which we are using. So now I am going to run the file. Now the page has been opened. So now it is going to show welcome to Flying Grip Academy. To create a table, click on the given link below. So here I am going to click on create a table. So now it is going to show some problems to create a table, because the page which we are going to try to create is already existing. So because if you see the data here, I am using a student, the database name is a student, so which I am using here. The table used the tag show tables. So now it is going to show whatever the tables which is already created. User student is a name of the table which I have given, and that particular table is already created. So now I will modify the code within this particular tag. I will go to the create table.jsp. So now where I have created the table, so here user student. So instead of user student, I will modify as master, user master. So now I am going to save the program, and so now I will go to the home page. So now what I am going to do is I am going to click the create table. So now it is going to show a message, congratulations, the table specified name is created successfully. So now what I am going to do is I am going to show the tables. Earlier the master, user master was not available, and now it is going to show user master. In this manner you can able to create the table. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.